Hello, this is a question related to Laplace transform. We have to find out the inverse Laplace transform of a function. Function s is equal to s square divided by s minus 2 to the power q. So, function s is equal to s square divided by s minus 2 to the power q. We will break it by partial fraction. So, let s square divided by s minus 2 to the power q is equal to a upon s minus 2 plus b upon s minus 2 to the whole square plus c divided by s minus 2 to the power q. So s square will be a multiplied by s minus 2 का square plus b multiplied by s minus 2 plus c multiplied by plus c. So it will be s square is equal to a multiplied by s square minus 4s plus 4 plus b into s minus 2 plus c. So s square is equal to a multiplied by s square plus minus 4a plus b multiplied by s plus 4a minus 2b plus c. So comparing the coefficient of s square, s and constant term in left and right hand side, s square a is equal to 1 minus 4a plus b is equal to 0 and 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to minus 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So putting the value of a in equation 2, minus 4 into 1 plus b is equal to 0. So minus 4 plus b is equal to 0. So b is equal to 4. This is equation 4. Now putting the value of a and b in equation 3, 4 into 1 minus 2 into 4 plus c is equal to 0, to 4 minus 8 plus c is equal to 0, to c is equal to 4. So putting the value of a, b and c, we get s square divided by s minus 2 to the power q is equal to 1 upon s minus 2 plus 4 divided by s minus 2 का square plus 4 divided by s minus 2 to the power q. So function s is equal to function s. So inverse Laplace transform of function s will be inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus 2 plus 4 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus 2 the square plus 4 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus 2 to the power q. Now we know that inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus 2 using equation 2, using formula 2. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus a is equal to e की power at. So inverse Laplace transform 1 upon s minus 2 is equal to e to the power 2t plus 4 inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus 2 का square. तो we will use first shifting property. If inverse Laplace transform of function t is equal to function s, then inverse Laplace transform of e की power at function t is equal to function s minus a. So we will use this formula. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s to the power n is equal to t to the power n minus 1 divided by factorial n minus 1. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s square will be inverse Laplace transform 1 upon s square will be t to the power n minus 1 divided by factorial n minus 1. 1 upon inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s to the power n is equal to t to the power n minus 1 divided by factorial n minus 1. Using formula 1 and 3, we get it will be it will be e to the power in function Laplace transform of function s is equal to function t, then function Laplace transform function s minus a is equal to e की power at function t. So it will be e to the power 2t and t square. So it will be t to the power 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 factorial. Similarly, this will be 4 multiplied by t to the power 3 minus 2 divided by factorial, and t to the power 3 minus 2 divided by factorial, and t to the power 3 minus 1 divided by factorial 2 or into e की power 80. So it will be e to the power 2t plus 4 into e to the power 2t into t plus 4 divided by 2 into t square e to the power 2t. So it will be e to the power 2t 1 plus 4t plus 2t square, 1 plus 4t plus 2t square. So answer C is correct. Thank you.